Hey everybody, and welcome to a craft video. Not really so much a tutorial, but I wanted to show you guys an unboxing of an HTV grab box. This is from 651, and I want to be completely straight with you guys. They are not sponsoring this video in any way, shape, or form. I paid for this box on my own. To get the boxes, you need to be a member of their Facebook group, which I will leave a link for that below. And you'll just need to be on at the time that they post it and click the link and have really fast internet. Couple tips: have your payment pre-saved and also have your login already logged in. All you have to do is just log in before they send the link, and you should be logged in and good to go, or at least save your login information in your computer, and that way all you have to do is click log in, and then you can quickly pay for your item. These sell out within minutes, so you need to make sure that you are quick. But let's go ahead, we're going to open this and I can show you some of the stuff that you can get in these boxes. So we're going to go ahead and just cut it open. You do want to be careful though, they do typically put these in a plastic sleeve, but I'm always very careful when opening this because you don't want to slice any of your vinyl. I believe these are anywhere between 4 and 5 pounds. They come very quickly. And just so you know, this one costs $61, and it's just a grab box of HTV. We get candy. Every once in a while, you'll get candy from them. It's just a nice little extra perk, and I got some Starlight Mints, which I love. So we'll just go ahead and pull this out. Now, it does come in a nice roll, which I like, and I hopefully you guys can see this because right now the outside is white. Let me move the scissors out of the way. And it, like I said, it comes in a nice roll, and you can see the roll is really thick and it's big, so you get a lot of HTV. Now, these are not always full sheets. You may get some full sheets, but a lot of it is scrap or maybe something that has a little damage to the edge, but it's a really good deal, and it's so much fun to get to go through here and see everything you get, which is what we're going to do. We're going to look through this, and you can just see that it's just coming out like crazy, so this is really fun. So let's see, and I like these because sometimes they'll send a lot of colors of things that I wouldn't necessarily order for myself, but I use, which is really great because I wouldn't necessarily go and order. So we do have a lot of white, which I like, and it's 2 different kinds. So I have a regular Easy Weed, and then I have the Easy Weed Stretch, and you can tell the difference because one feels, what I like to say, greasier than the other, so, and it's a little bit thinner. So this one is the Stretch. It looks like a lot of this is Easy Weed, which is great, especially in white. I did get a lot of white, but I use it so much, and they're big sheets too. I mean, these are all pretty close to probably 12 by 12 sheets. So that's really nice. So we got a lot of white, which is very nice to have. And like I said, one sheet is a little bit different than the others. We've got some glitter colors. I have like a white, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but this is like a white, and I can turn the light on. Let me turn on one of the filming lights and see if we get a little better color for you guys here. This one is a white, and it has different color glitter in it, so it's not just white or silver glitter. Ooh, a pretty olive green. Again, this is a color I would probably not like order on my own, but oh my gosh, I can think of so many fun things to do. We have some gold, which is really pretty. This is one of my favorites, and I actually was thinking I needed some more. This is hot pink glitter. Love this stuff. We have some silver glitter. We have a gray, which I believe is just regular Easy Weed. Yeah, it feels like regular Easy Weed. And you'll see, like, this is, for example, like one of the things you may find on them. You'll have like a little extra piece of tape. This can easily come off, or you can cut it. It's never going to cut on that corner anyways. So we got some really nice gray, which I like. Red, which you tend to get quite a bit. Red's a really popular color, so it's nice to have, but we got several sheets of red. And like I said, a lot of these are almost full sheets, or we have like this one that's maybe like half a sheet, which is really nice. We have a blue, it looks like a royal blue. Again, these feel like they're all going to be Easy Weed, not Stretch, but Easy Weed. But I love Easy Weed. And you can see there are a few little spots where you may have like some dimples and some wrinkles, but most of that will press out. A light pink, which is very nice. Again, believed to be Easy Weed. Black, which is always needed, and I got a ton of black, which let me tell you, I use the black a lot, so to get this much is really nice. We got some more glitter. I have, again, some more of the white, which is beautiful. I really like this. I can't wait to do something with this. Another one of the olive green. Another gold. These are really nice. This one, again, does have some flaws, a couple wrinkles and things, but 99% of that will press out, so you'll never notice. I got some more black, and this, hard to say. I think this could also be easy weed, but again, I can never have too much black. So there's a ton of black. Ooh, I think this is orange soda, but don't quote me on the color choice here. But this is really pretty. I like this orange color. And again, really big sheets of the orange. I got some more white. Again, I can never have too much white. I don't think anyone can have too much of the white. Love the white. Really pretty. We got, oh, how exciting. And the last thing we got in here was some buffalo plaid. Again, not full sheets, but we got one that's probably a full sheet if I had to guess. It does have a little bit of a flaw here, but that's okay. We can easily work around that little flaw. And then I got some strips of it, which would be perfect for words or bears or all sorts of things that you can do with this. I think you get a lot in these grab bags. Again, $61, you get all of this. Again, lots of things that are like 12 by 12 sheets or at least really close to them. A lot of white, a lot of black, but those are your basic colors, and that's why you're going to see a lot of that, because that's one of the things that most people are going to order. They're going to order a lot of white and a lot of black. So again, I'm 99% sure that this one is stretch because it does feel a little bit more greasy. And then this is going to be just your regular white. But look at that. I can have white for days. I'm so excited. All of this white is going to be very handy. So let me put all the blacks together. And I like to try to gather my colors together so that I can keep track. So I've got a ton of black. Love this black. I use it on so much stuff. The orange is really, really bright and pretty. And this will be great Halloween time, fall, lots of really fun projects with that. That's just that white again. This pink I got 3 sheets of. Really like the pink. I got quite a few of the blue, which is really a nice blue. Again, you're going to see a lot of like your primary type colors. You're going to get a lot of the blue, the white, the black, things like that. Red especially, you get a lot of red, but I really like this red too. I've used this several times from my other grab boxes. We've got this pretty gray. We have 2 things of gold glitter. We've got like what I would call maybe almost a 3/4 sheet, and then another about 3/4 sheet. This really pretty olive green, which I really like. They're probably 3/4 sheet size as well. We got 2 of the white, which I would say again 3/4 sheets. A silver, which I would say almost a full sheet, and then a full sheet of this pink glitter, which is really, really pretty. So again, a lot of this is going to be end of the roll type stuff, not fully measured type stuff, something that maybe just has a small flaw in it, things like that. But these grab boxes are a lot of fun. They're really fun to work with, and you get stuff that you wouldn't normally order for yourself, and sometimes you get candy. I will put a link to 651's Facebook page below because that's where you need to be in order to receive these. And I will make sure that you also have a link to the website to order some of this beautiful vinyl. Again, this video is not sponsored by 651. I did pay for this box by myself. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. Hit the bell icon. That will let you know when I post a new video. Have a great day and happy crafting!